So this canal takes water out of the rice paddies, goes past that cafe, great cafe, and dumps into the river. And this is actually a good spot for fishing, particularly for chub and dace. I think that's what we would call it in English. So even though that cafe over there is closed, I'm a regular there. They closed early due to heat, but I got the last iced coffee. All right, time to do some fishing. I keep hoping that one of these days I'm gonna get a shot of me catching a fish as the train crosses over the bridge. I think that'd be a really cool shot. Hasn't happened yet. Might never happen. But I still turn on my camera each time just in case. Today's the day. I gotta snag some seaweed. Yep. Ah, and I'm tangled. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Ah. Nice little dace. I really do believe that fishing is good for your mental health. Just being outside in general is, but fishing is. And, you know, it's been stressful the last few weeks. I haven't put out many videos recently, partially because of how busy I am. And just opportunity. I haven't been able to get out much, unfortunately. So it feels really great to be back out fishing. I also think because of just how hot it gets in summer here in Japan, and you know, it's hotter than it used to be, that's for sure, that, you know, people get outside less during the summer, so I think it's actually kind of a hard season for a lot of people. Now I gotta untangle that. Nice playing with it. Come on, take it. Nope. Oh, there it is! There it is! What do we got? A chub! A little chub. Cool if we could go 2 for 2, but I doubt it. The bigger fish seem to kind of hang out in a band right by the last set of those concrete blocks. So you can't see it quite right now because of the water. But there's basically, right, it's loud. There's basically a bunch of concrete blocks here. And so in the winter, when the water's low, you can actually see them. Actually, I sometimes have slid down and stood on them to go fishing. What if my bait's still on there? Trying a little further out. I'm kind of trying to remember when I caught quite a few nice, large, good cooking sized ones last year. But I feel like that might have been in August, now that I think about it. But whatever, let's be honest. I'm really here for mental health. It's some relaxing outdoor time in. Doesn't help that it's like 33 degrees. Oh, nope. Fishing's weird. There are some days where you really get worked up about it and it's stressful and fun, and you really feel the pressure to catch a fish. And then there's days like today where you're just like, all right, I'm outside, I'm in the sun, I'm not at work. I feel good and relaxed. Kira. Arigato. Oh! Gotcha. Ah. There we go. Oh, probably the last train for today. I'm not gonna get out any more bait, so when I lose this bait, I'm gonna definitely be done. Fish on, fish on. Oh, where'd my net go? Oh, there it is. Oh. What? Oh. Hello. Wee. There's a little bit of bait left. I'm gonna try a few casts, but that might be the end of it. That was definitely good for my mental health. Please go down to the comment section. Tell me what you think about, fishing and mental health and stress. Anyways, thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I will see you in our next adventure.
Jaga baita.